Week 15 featured an NFC division matchup between the 11-2 Philadelphia Eagles and the 2-11 New York Giants. It seemed like an easy win on paper for the Eagles, but when you're playing a division rival, you can throw the records out.
Manning, under center, goes to Darkwa, and he's in.
He is.
Here is Aldrich Rosas for the extra point. Ball is spotted, the kick is up, and it's blocked! It's blocked! So the Giants will have to settle for 6 points.
Yeah, DB. Yeah, DB.
Nick Foles led the offense onto the field, looking to even the score.
Foles looks, still looks, puts it in the air and completes it. Aguilar, he juggled it and then retained it, brought it in. Foles back again, looking, he's looking, he is firing, and it is caught. Alshon Jeffrey, touchdown. Base of the end zone, 3 yards.
With the Eagles up by a point, they began to fall apart.
Manning takes the snap. He is floating it for the end zone. Caught, touchdown. Manning back, he steps up, he fires wide open across the 40, 45, 50. Down the sideline goes Shepard to the 20, the 10, the 5. Touchdown, Sterling Shepard. What has happened to this Eagles defense? The Eagles are going to be trailing 20-7.
But Eli had awoken the sleeping giant, and Ronald Darby was there to turn the momentum.
Manning back again. Manning stepping up. He has time. He fires, and it is intercepted. Intercepted. It is Darby. Darby at the 40. Darby at the 35. Darby at the 30. Darby cuts back, goes to the 20. A brilliant interception and an even better run by Ronald Darby.
Go! Whoa! That's a bad man. That boy Darby.
Foles backs up. Foles looks. Foles fires, and it is caught. Touchdown! Foles delivers to Ertz.
The magic was back. With the offense and defense stepping up, it was time for the special teams to do the same.
Into punt. Wing into return. Warner. Wing gets it. It's blocked. It's blocked. And the Giants fall on the ball, but it goes over to the Eagles. Actually, the Eagles come up with it.
Come on.
Corey Clement is the one who comes up with it. And it was Camus Grugier-Hill who blocked it.
The tide had turned quickly, and the Eagles were about to take the lead for the first time in the game.
Foles claps his hands, takes the snap, looking, firing, wide open, touchdown! And so the Eagles are back in front. Extra point puts them up 21-20.
Here you go, boy! Here you go, boy! Here you go, boy!
The Eagles opened up the half with a field goal from Jake Elliott, but looked to distance themselves from the Giants.
Foles under center, play act. He's back. He dumps it off at Jay at the 40, at the 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, dives to the 5, Ajayi. Foles back. Foles look. Foles fires. And it is caught! Aguilar, touchdown! He went up and pulled it down.
Oh, I love that.
Oh! Oh! He got ball! Damn, son, where did you find that? Woo!
If the Giants were going to continue to make this a competitive game, they would need to show it now. And they did.
Manning takes the snap, he looks, fires, and it is juggled and caught. And racing is King. King across the 10, the 5, and is he in? And so now they say he's in.
With the Eagles leading by 2 points, the Giants again drove the field, this time with a chance to take the lead.
This is a 48-yard attempt to give the Giants the lead. Ball is spotted. The kick is away, and it's partially blocked. It's blocked, and it rolls into the end zone. And the Eagles still have the lead.
The Eagles got the ball back, and Jake Elliott put them up by 5 with under 4 minutes to play. The Giants made their way into the red zone, needing a touchdown to take the lead. It was all up to the Eagles' defense now.
Can the Eagles stop the Giants right here? Manning takes the snap. He's back. He's looking. He is firing, and it is incomplete. It is out of the end zone. Incomplete. Intended for Ingram with 43 seconds to go.
And with that, the Eagles clinched a first-round bye in the playoffs.